Hello, my viewers. Welcome to my YouTube channel. Today, I'll be showing you another responsive, unique, stunning, functional online banking script website. Okay, this one is Stalona Credits. As you can see, we are already on the home page. I'll be showing you step-by-step guide right from the user dashboard, to the admin dashboard. Okay, so if this is your first time of watching my video, please don't forget to click on the subscribe button to subscribe and click on the notification button also to be getting notification anytime I post on this channel. Okay, so if this is your first time also, any script you see here is available for you to download, for you to get it. All you need to do is to message the WhatsApp number on the YouTube channel to get to me. Okay, if you also want to view a demo before you make your purchase, you are free to do that. We'll provide a demo before you proceed to making payment or getting this script. So without wasting much of your time, this is another online banking script that has all the full functional banking banking function that a real bank will have, such as it has email and SMS notification. It has COT code, OTP code, IMF code, and TAS code. All these codes, they are available in this script and they are being controlled by the admin. Okay, it's in such a way that admin can be able to disable those codes and allow transfer to go successful without the bank requesting for any of these codes. Okay, and admin can halt transfer. Okay, admin can hold transfer, approve transfer, or even change transfer status. Okay, so if you get this script, you may not need to start building another homepage for yourself. You may actually use this particular homepage that is already on the script and do what you want to use it for. And remember, any video we post here is for educational purpose. Please, we are not going to be held responsible for any abuse or any misuse of this script. I repeat, we are not going to be held responsible for any misuse or abuse of this script. Please let us be guided. It's for educational purpose. Amatech ICT will not be held responsible for any way you misuse this script. It's for educational purpose. We do it in order to educate you in web development process. So if you are a developer and you are looking for a new online banking script that will not attract Google deceptive page, most of these banking scripts that you get online, most of them when you upload them to your cPanel is either the platform suspends your hosting, or Google flags the script or the domain a Google deceptive website. So in getting any of our script, you are free from such. None of our banned script is being flagged with red page or hosting suspends it, except the keyword in your domain is striking or is against the rules and the terms and conditions or the agreement of the particular hosting you are using. And meanwhile, we also suggest for a hosting company that you may use for our cPanel. We recommend a hosting company that you may use for our hosting to avoid your hosting being suspended. So in case you want to know more about how this hosting to use for any of your project, affordable hosting to use for any of your project, you can visit amatecict.com. amatecict.com. Okay, you can visit amatecict.com for any information about the hosting you are going to use in order for your script to work well. And also, though it works in any cPanel of your choice, anywhere you may upload it, it works there perfectly. But in case you are no longer comfortable with the hosting you are using, or the one you are using now, and you want to try a new host, then you visit amatecict.com for recommendations. We have a hosting that we recommended there on our website. So without wasting much of your time, I'll walk you through this script to see the functions of this script that I may not be able to say with my mouth. All you do is to see it by yourself. Okay, so let's scroll down. Now let me start from here. This is Google Translator. We have already added that for you, so you don't need to start looking for Google Translator anymore. So look at this one is internet banking. You can log in here, you can open account here. So let's scroll down. This is the home page. As you can see, the home page is neat and fine, no stress. Okay, you may not even need to start building another home page for yourself. Look at the home page, very clean and fine. Okay, it's very okay for your project. So let's log in and see how the login page and the sign up page looks like. So okay, this is the login page. This is the login page of the website. Let's look at the create account page. Then before we now log in with our ID and now see how the dashboard looks like. Then perform one or two transactions. So some may be seeing this kind of this registration page, say, but I have this script. No, there is more to this script. You may see the one that is, you may see the registration page similar to the one you have, but I bet you this is not it. Okay, so this is the registration page. Okay, here is the registration page. Let's quickly log in and see how the dashboard looks like. Okay, here I'm going to put email, password, access dashboard. Is going to request for my PIN. So as you can see, it has steps by step in which you can be able to log in, and that also makes it more real. Okay, so sys code, PIN code. This is the dashboard. You can see welcome back Lasky Richard. So here is the dashboard, and this alert, you have a pending wire transaction of 4,000. Resume transaction can be edited. This information can be edited. You can edit this information here by yourself. You can put anything there. Okay, so look at the account balance, look at the profile picture here. So here you have deposit money, you have check deposit, you have mobile deposit. So let's look at the check deposit. Okay, after making deposit with check, you upload the screenshot here, then you click on deposit, you are good to go. So let's look at the mobile deposit. Here is the mobile deposit, where you put the amount you want to deposit, choose payment, choose the account the deposit is going to. Okay, you choose crypto type, Bitcoin, Ethereum. You can add more crypto method here. You can actually add USDT, or you use the existing one that is there if you are conversant with PHP. And meanwhile, don't forget, if you are not a developer but you need something like this, you can actually contact us. I will get it done for you. All we need to do to tell you the price in which we can be able to do it for you, you provide the name you want to use, and boom, within 24 hours, 48 hours, your site is up and running. And it's not just up and running, it lasts up to 1 year. Okay, it's not like the one after building the website for you and within 2 months the website will be suspended. As long as you follow the due process in which we tell you that we are going to manage the site for you, 1 year you will be happy to renew it. And it's affordable. Our projects are affordable. We don't only build websites, we also build mobile app. So maybe you want to have something like this as a mobile app, whether for your business or for any of your company or for your institution. Anyhow you want it, we can be able to do it for you. All you need to do is to tell us what you need. We discuss it with you, we tell you the price, then you make initial deposit, we get right on it. Okay, so here is the deposit. You choose Bitcoin, it shows you the wallet. This wallet, you can change it from admin or from the script file. The Ethereum, you show you the wallet. Then after paying, then you upload the proof of payment. Then put your transaction, the 6 code transaction that we will use to log in, to log into this dashboard. Okay, so here is the transfer process. We have local transfer here, we have wire transfer here, we have transfer to self. That's all of us know what is local transfer. Local transfer is same bank transfer. Okay, transferring to another account that is inside this particular bank. Then wire transfer is international transfer, where you transfer to other banks that is not within your country or outside country, anywhere around the country or outside country, foreign country. So this is wire transfer. So let's try and perform wire transfer. Wire transfer is where, okay, is where the COT code, tax code, and IMF code will be needed for those transactions. Okay, so this one does not only request for OTP, it requests for other codes like COT, tax, and IMF. Okay, now as you can see here, you are looking at the screen now, you can see there is a fee here, the transfer charges fee of 35 USD. You can actually change this transaction fee. Okay, you can actually change the amount. You can put the amount 10%, $10, $20, $100, $200, $300, $400. You can manipulate it, you can change it. Okay, so this one now, you don't have to be doing the charges manually by sending email or any other thing, any other way you want to use it for. But here, whoever that is performing the transfer, you already know that this is the amount I'm paying for this transaction that I am doing. So okay, you can actually change the price. That is the bottom line. So I will put, let's do 1,000. Okay, select our payment account, current account or savings account. Okay, as you can see that the balance of savings account is 9,000 something. The balance in current account is 20,000 something. The both merged together is about 29,980 USD. So let me use account balance the amount in the savings account. So I will choose the account type, savings account, bank name USA, account name John, account number. Okay, select bank. So select a bank country. So you can actually select bank country from here. Let's choose any of the country here. Because of time, you put routine number, bank code. Okay, let's just put like this. Then bank details, payment. Because of time, we make transfer. Okay, and you can see, look at the way it is initializing. Look at the process. Now it's asking for a COT code, and we are going to provide a COT code. So this email, now you can change this email to your own domain name when you have this script. So it will now tell the user to contact admin or to contact support to validate the COT for this transaction. So let me provide it. Verify COT. Okay, sorry, we have to go to the admin to get the COT code. Okay, we have to go to the admin. Okay, so let's provide the COT code of this. Okay, why the section has expired, so I'm trying to log in to continue our transaction. Okay, I will show you the admin, so you will also see the admin. And do you know the striking part of this particular script, that it has whenever a user logs into the account, it sends a notification to the user that someone just logged into your account. So payment, make a transfer. It's going to request for COT, which we are going to provide right now. Okay. Okay, as you can see, we just provide the COT code. So it's taking us to the next page, which is the task code. We are going to provide the task. The task is being verified. It will take us to the IMF page. So, verify. This is the transfer process. So I know after watching this video, you will not hesitate to get this script for yourself. And I mean every word of it. Verify PIN code. I mean every word of it. You will not hesitate to get this script for yourself. Now see, look at the receipt. Okay, the transfer is done. Right now, a user can print receipt or report transaction. Okay, transaction processing. Now admin now changes the transfer process of this particular transaction. So let's look at the admin. Here is the admin. Here is the system settings. You can change the task code option here, the IMF code, change the email, the bank name. Look at the wire transfer fee, like I told you. Look at the domestic transfer fee. Look at wire transfer limit and all that. Okay. User transfer option, you can block user here. Login OTP, select, deactivate or not deactivate, billing code. Oh my God, you can't miss this script. I tell you, you cannot miss this script. So let's look at the transaction we just did. Wire transaction, look at it, is showing transaction processing. So let's edit. Okay. Okay. Accept. You can backdate the transaction here. You can actually backdate the transaction here. You can backdate the transaction here by yourself. So we accept the transaction. Now it will no longer show processing on user end. It will now show approved on user, transaction approved on user end. So look at the transfer we just did now. Wire transfer minus. Are you seeing it? Look at all these things are login activities, login to dashboard, new wire transfer. Every activity is being shown here, different activity. So now when you go to bank statement, you will see that this transaction is already here. As you can see, completed. Look at the date of the transfer. Completed, view receipt. Okay, so I don't know why you will not get this script for yourself, for that your project. Okay, look at credit card here. Let's look at here. You can apply for a credit card. This user already applied for a credit card and he got it. Look at the amount of the credit card. Look at the date of the credit card. Look at the back of the credit card. Look at the front of the credit card. Okay, so my account profile KYC. You can actually provide your KYC verification here. So just rush to my DM and get hold of this script. I'm telling you, look at it here. You need help, you can open a ticket here and contact admin, and admin will now receive it from admin, then reply you back. Okay, now let's look at the functions on the admin back end. Here is the admin. Set crypto payment. Look at it, see where you add new payment. You change the wallet, like I told you in the beginning of this video, that you can actually add more a payment method, Bitcoin, Ethereum or USDT, whichever one you want to add. Look at SMS API. If you have an active SMS API, I told you that this script comes with email and SMS alert. So look at here, the SMS API you will use is Paddywise access token and Paddywise transaction pin, and look at the instruction here, and you are good to go. Okay, look at here is all users already registered in the system. Okay, SMTP settings. Here is where you set your SMTP settings. You set your SMTP settings. So imagine you are using Hostinga or any other hosting platform. You can set your SMTP here. Okay. Tickets. Let's assume now a user submitted a ticket. Here is where you see the ticket and reply the user. As you can see, this is the admin dashboard. You not say that I did not show you the admin dashboard. You want to send SMS from the bank to a user, you can do it from here once you have your SMS API working perfectly. Okay, here you can create a transaction, wire transfer history, domestic transfer history, credit and debit alert history. Like you want to create a transaction, and backdate it, you do it from admin without even going to be creating an account and all those things. Okay, so look at here, bank transactions, deposit transaction, pending deposit. Here you see, here is where you see it. Okay, our virtual cards, only 2 users has virtual card in this bank. So look at the virtual card here. Okay, so this script is awesome. It's awesome. Rush to my DM and get this script, or you go to amatecict.com, make your payment there and download the script without wasting much of the time. So I'll be uploading another video. So all you need to do is to subscribe, click on the notification button to keep you updated, because we'll be having more updates on this particular script when we have subsequent changes. So look at the admin. Is there anything that you want that is not in this admin? Everything in this admin is detailed out already for you to use. All you need to do, get your cPanel hosting, host it right, and you are good to go. Look at the dashboard. The transaction we just performed now is showing here. Look at the transaction we just performed now. Look at loan here. You can actually apply for a loan. Look at all the activities. Both the login, I tell you, I told you that the activities, whether the login or the new wire transfer and all these things goes to your email. You receive it as email notification, which I am going to show you right now. So here is the login activities. You see, here is the login activities that I told you about. Here is the login activities. Let's check the transaction we made. Look at the transaction we made. A wire transaction of 1,000 is completed. Account balance, it shows you the account balance. So what else do you need in this script that is not there? So quickly rush to my WhatsApp and get this script for yourself for your next project without any issue. No issue in installing it. It has an installation guide in it. Anytime if you purchase it, you can be able to install it without any issue at all, and it works on any cPanel of your choice. Okay, so see you next time, and thank you for watching my video. Don't forget to like and share, subscribe, like and share. Thank you.